بشراكم بشراكم شهر الصوم.
Our next speaker is a talented and confident student. I invite Ammar Dawood, student of class 4 in Arabic. Let's welcome.
الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. Respected elders and my brothers in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I feel very blessed to speak about the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is the word of Allah and the holy book of Islam. It is a complete and final guidance for all people in every time and every place. And Muslims all over the world love it, respect it, and try to follow its teachings. The Quran was revealed to the last prophet, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, more than 1400 years ago. It was sent in the Arabic language, but today it has been translated into many other languages so that all people can understand its message. The Quran has 114 chapters called surahs, and every surah teaches something important about faith, worship, good behavior, and the purpose of life. The Quran was revealed as a mercy and a guide for all human beings. People need guidance to know what is right and what is wrong, how to live with others, and how to worship the Creator in the correct way. The central message of the Quran is there. There is only one God, Allah, who is all powerful, all knowing, and most merciful. Human beings are asked to worship Him alone, obey His commands, and prepare for the day of judgment, when everyone will be answerable for their deeds and rewarded or punished with perfect justice. The Quran teaches many things that build good character and a good society. Some of its main teachings are: believe in one God, Allah, and in all His prophets and all His books. Pray regularly, remember Allah often, and be thankful for His blessings. Cheating and breaking promises. Be kind and respected parents, relatives, neighbors, and all people, whether they are rich or poor. Help the poor, the orphans, and don't be selfish, greedy, or proud. Be patient during difficulties and grateful in times of ease. Through these teachings, the Quran shapes a person's character. It encourages kindness, forgiveness, fairness, and warns against pride, jealousy, and injustice. Reciting the Quran is a special act of worship. Muslims recite parts of the Quran in their 5 daily prayers, and many try to read or listen to the Quran every day, even if it's just a few verses. Listening to the Quran brings peace and comfort to the heart, especially during times of fear, sadness, or worry. Some Muslims memorize the entire Quran and are called Hafiz or Hafiza, which is a great honor and responsibility that require patience, discipline, and regular revision. The Quran teaches aim to bring peace, something important about faith, worship, good behavior, and the purpose of life. The Quran calls people to live in peace with everyone, to respect the rights of others, and to solve problems in a fair and kind way whenever possible. It teaches that all human beings it teaches that all human beings and no race or nation is there. The Quran shapes a person's character. The Quran also tells the stories of many earlier prophets, including Adam, Nuh, Ibrahim, Musa, and Isa. Peace be upon them, alayhi salawatu wassalam. These stories are full of lessons that teach patience in hardship, trust in Allah when facing danger, courage to speak the truth. By reading and reflecting on these stories, Muslims learn how to handle their own challenges in a way that pleases Allah. To truly benefit from the Quran, it is not enough just to read it or keep it on a shelf. Muslims are encouraged to read the Quran regularly, even a small amount each day. Try to understand the meaning through translation and explanation. Think about how its teaching can be applied in daily life. Act according to worship the Creator in the correct way. When Muslims do this, telling the truth, respecting others, respecting parents, and helping others and avoiding what Allah has forbidden. The beauty of the Quran is seen in their actions, not only in their words. Dear brothers and elders, the Holy Quran is a priceless gift from Allah. It is a book of guidance, mercy, wisdom, and light for anyone who sincerely wants to find the right path. If we recite the Quran with respect, understand its meanings, and do our best to follow its teachings, it will bring peace to our hearts, improve our character, and help us succeed in this life and in the hereafter. May Allah make us Quran people who love it, learn it, and live by it every day. Thank you very much for listening so patiently, and may bless you and may bless you Allah all. Assalamu alaikum.